Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Clash of Clans login. First, launch the Clash of Clans application on your mobile device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, like Wi-Fi or mobile data, for a smooth experience. Once the game loads, you will usually see an option to connect or log in. This might be a Supercell ID prompt, located prominently on the screen or within the game's settings menu. Tap this option to proceed with linking your account. To log in with your Supercell ID, tap the corresponding option. You will then need to enter your registered email address into the designated field. Supercell will send a unique 6-digit verification code to that email. Quickly check your inbox, including spam or junk folders, for this code. Enter the code back into the game when prompted. This secure two-step process ensures your village is always accessible across different devices, keeping your progress safe. If you do not have an existing Supercell ID, you can easily create one. Select the Register New Account option. You will then enter a valid email address that you want to use for your new ID. Supercell will immediately send a verification code to that email. Retrieve the code from your email and enter it back into the game. This simple process creates a brand new Supercell ID, linking it directly to your current game progress for future security and recovery. Encountering login issues can be frustrating, but many are easily resolved. First, ensure your internet connection is strong and stable. Secondly, double-check that the Supercell ID email address you are entering is absolutely correct. If you are not receiving a verification code, check your email's spam or junk folder, as it might be there. Finally, sometimes simply restarting the Clash of Clans application, or even your entire mobile device, can fix minor software glitches, preventing a smooth login.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.